Now the second part. This is the Auto Glass SEO second part, and I will discuss about the photos and reviews in this series. Now, important thing. This company is not providing real photos, but in case of you have to provide real photos. When you have real photos, you should have add the logo and the cover photo and some other photos you need to add it there, like the in-job photo, the photo, the picture you are taken in on job. If you are doing mobile service or in shop, you have to create some videos and some picture, and you can upload. And most important thing is, if customer added new photos, that have a great impact on the GBP ranking. Now the another most important thing, the review. In my 9 years of careers in auto glass industry, I have seen this. Review is actually second more important uh, thing to do for any auto glass shop. It goes with any, not only the auto glass shop, but also for every type of GBP. This shop is not getting a proper review because the service owner and the technician is not actually asking for the proper review. From my end, I have to create a job sequence because I don't have the job data. If I have the job data, I should have sent them regular email to get more review. I have properly set it up. The GBP I have properly set it up. If you check for the keyword auto glass replacement garland, you'll sorry, let's you see, I have only 1.7 reviews and 4.4 average rating. But if you go ahead and go ahead with this one, you will see they have actually 62 reviews and average 4.48 with the exactness business name. Yes, this one is actually an average. Their ranking is number 1 and number 2, and they have 235 GBP and maintaining 5.0 rating. Also, if you see the image, you will see the at least 144 images they are actually providing. These have 17 review with the 5.0 rating. They have also more images than the glass than garland. Lava Auto Glass have 115 review with average 4.9 rating. Let me go incognito and search for the keyword auto glass replacement garland. English. Now it's actually, if you check each and everything, every top rated GBP, you will see this actually review and review velocity have the main issue. Also, when you reply the review, like if someone provide, when you reply the review, you should have added your main job keyword and the location. Let's take some review here from here. I have added the auto uh, garlands based auto glass service. Also, if I go with the review, I have added the uh, top-notch workmanship and service. Google highlight this. Google highlight this from the review. You should have do that, and uh, this is the end of second part, and in third part I will talk about the citation. Thank you.